Bobi Wine, Ghetto President, Moses Bulaaya. Good evening. Hi, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Nice, thank you. It's such an honor to be here tonight and to introduce this film. I'm really, really humbled that we got to screen our film here. This is my first time at Telluride Film Festival. Also, really first time to introduce a film I've directed to an audience like yours. And thank you so much for coming. I would like to call up some of the members, the crew, and some of the people who are part of the making of this film. It wouldn't have been possible without them. Of course, Christopher Sharp, the co-director, is not here tonight, but he will come tomorrow. He'll be at the consequent screenings. Bobi Wine is also coming tomorrow. And Bobi Wine's lovely wife, KYAGULANYI. Paul Carlin, our dear editor. And also Kerstin Emhoff, who's here tonight. She's with Ventureland. Thank you so much, the team at Ventureland, the team at Southern Films. Yeah, Ventureland, Pretty Bad, and who else is it? There's someone else tonight. I think.
Sarah.
Yes, Sarah as well. Please, Sarah. Thank you so much. This film would not have been possible without, I say it's the power of God that made this film possible, because there's been moments of, you will see, but we've been so honored to be able to tell the story of Bobi and her husband. Yeah, thank you so much. And please. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Moses. Good evening, everybody in this house. It's such an honor to be here. It's my first time in Telluride. It's my first time to be here for the film festival. It is such a blessing to be able to show the story of the people of Uganda through film. And this is a real life story. There is no fiction. Whatever you see here has been filmed in a long while, for over 5 years. So we hope that when you see this story, you'll go out there and tell the world about what is happening back home. It's an honor for us to be the voice of the people, and we hope that out here, the Western world will get to know what's happening back home. Enjoy the evening, and thank you very much.